Let me show you one of the simplest and most powerful intraday and options scalping setups.
No noise, no confusion, just structure and clarity. First, we identify the trend. For an uptrend, the 20 simple moving average must be above the 50 simple moving average, and both should be almost parallel. This tells us momentum is clean and stable. Next, switch your chart to Heikin Ashi candles. Why? Because they filter out noise and make pullbacks easy to see, even for beginners. Now the setup. Every time price pulls back toward the 20 simple moving average, draw a small trend line across the highs of that pullback. This becomes your temporary resistance. We don't buy during the pullback, we buy only when price breaks out above that trend line, with a trigger entry just 1 to 2 ticks above the breakout candle. That's it. Trend confirmed. Pullback identified. Clean breakout entry. This setup works beautifully for intraday, options buying, and fast scalping because you're trading with momentum, not against it. Try this on your charts for a week. You'll be surprised how simple trading feels when you combine 20 SMA on top of 50, Heikin Ashi for clarity, and breakout of pullback for entry. Trade simple. Trade clean. Follow the trend.